Tervetuloa and welcome to Learn Finnish with me, where we learn Finnish in fun and easy way. Ready to learn how to ask questions in Finnish? Today we are focusing on who, what, when, where, and why. These words are key to make your Finnish conversation flow. Who, Kuka. The word who in Finnish is Kuka. You can use it when you want to ask about a person. Example, Kuka hän on. Who is he or she? For asking about something, we use Mitä or Mikä. It used to ask for information or about thing. Mitä. Use this when you are asking about things or action in general. Example, Mitä sinä syöt? What are you eating? You are asking about what food in general the person is eating. Mikä. Use this when you are asking about specific things. Example, Mikä tämä on? What is this? You are asking about a specific object like something you are holding or pointing to. When, Milloin. When you want to ask about time, you use Milloin. It's a very important word for asking about dates or event. Example, Milloin sinä tulet? When are you coming? Where, Missä. For asking about location, we use Missä. It's helpful when you want to know where something or someone is. Example, Missä on postitoimisto? Where is the post office? Why, Miksi. To ask why something is happening, you use Miksi. It's a great word to understand the reason behind something. Example, Miksi et tule? Why aren't you coming? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Finnish learning video. Heippa!